I'm Liam Fowler. I'm in the School of Biochemistry. I started about 3 weeks ago. And we're interested in ribosomes. Ribosomes are incredibly abundant, about 10 million, between 1 and 10 million copies per cell. And only recently we've realized that not every ribosome is the same and that there's variability and that there's actually specialization of ribosomes. But at this stage, we've got lots of questions in this field, like how common these are, the function in health and disease, and even what defines it. And one of the big issues is that there aren't good tools available to answer these questions. Now, we've developed an approach where we can use ribosome profiling, which is an information-rich technology to look at the translation that's going on in a cell. We can use this information to get to look at the ribosomes. And the real advantage of our approach is that we can look at previously published data. So there are thousands of studies that have been published using ribosome profiling that we can now go back and look at the presence of these different ribosome populations in that data. So we can take all of the data from that ribosome profiling, things like the translation efficiency, gene set enrichment, stalls, collisions, huge amount of data, and use these as features in a machine learning approach to begin to answer some of these questions that we have and understand how important this ribosome specialization is.